The last question, number 12, it's all about the calculator. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to write them in my one of the list. Okay, and then calculate it. Calculate to find the mean and standard deviation. And then I'm going to do confidence interval for 95% and write it down, the numbers. I'm not going to write it down the numbers because I will show it to you right now. After I explain it this to you right now, I will go to my calculator and show you all values. And then after we said this is alternative, mean is not equal to 12.5, and then do the two-tailed test and look at the p-value. If the p-value is greater than alpha, we accept the H null. If p-value is less than alpha, we accept the alternative hypothesis. Now let's go to our calculator, see them all. Alright, now we're in our calculator. I already typed them in, list 8, look at it. So the all data is in list 8. I didn't read the question because I thought that you read it and understood. Let's just go to calculation. What I'm gonna do, I will calculate the mean and standard deviation, right? Before you calculate it, you click on it, please make sure, go to the set, you are calculating the list 8. Set, the first variable comes from list 8. Okay, and then exit. Now the sample mean is 13.1 and the standard deviation is 0.64. Write it down all. Now what the B says, using 95% confidence interval. Alright, let's go to the interval, T interval, one sample, and then it's gonna come from list 8, 95%, and then here is lower one is 12.6, upper one is 13.6. Okay, and then how about what the C says? And then he thinks that the mean is 12.5, and check that the mean is not equal to 12.5. Okay, test statistic, T, and then one sample, and then new mean, we believe that it's not equal to 12.5. Okay, the null hypothesis says the mean is 12.5. It's coming from list 8, and look at the probability. The probability is 0.016, which is more than, what is our significance level, is 1%, which is more than 1%. So what I'm going to do, I will accept the null hypothesis. C2, it says interpret your p-value at, okay, we already did this. So I hope those 12 questions are understood. On your test, I'm going to ask maybe one or two different questions. Just get ready for it. If you have any other questions, you can email me, you can feel free to ask. Okay, if you like my videos, no, I'm not gonna say that, it's just a joke.